Hello friends, so I'm quarantined here. This is my old school, and today we are going to talk about MAH AAC CET 2007. So the question number 1, black color plus white color gives us.
So the options are A, yellow color, B, red color, C, blue color, and D, gray shade. And you must know the answer, that is D, shades of gray, that we will get with a black and white mixture.
Question number 2, red, yellow and blue on color wheel are
A, tertiary colors, B, secondary colors, C, primary colors, D, quaternary colors. So the correct answer is C, primary colors. Red, yellow and blue are called primary colors, and the primary colors are those which cannot be created by mixing other colors in a given color space.
Question number 3, Taj Mahal is situated in.
Options are A, New Delhi, B, Old Delhi, C, Agra, D, Mathura. So as you know that the Taj Mahal is an ivory white marble mausoleum on the southern bank of the river Yamuna in the Indian city of Agra. It was commissioned in 1632.
Question number 4, Konark temple is situated in.
So the options are A, Maharashtra, B, Madhya Pradesh, C, Rajasthan, D, Orissa. So as you know, Konark, we call it Konark Sun Temple also, is a 13th century sun temple at Konark, which is about 35 kilometers northeast from Puri on the coastline of Odisha. The temple is attributed to King Narsimhadeva I of the Eastern Ganga dynasty. So the correct answer is D, Orissa.
Question number 5, first person to discover the existence of colors in light itself is.
The options are A, George Bush, B, Sir Isaac Newton, C, Dr. A.P.J. Abdul Kalam, D, Dr. Homi Bhabha. In the 1660s, English physicist and mathematician Isaac Newton began a series of experiments with sunlight and prisms. He demonstrated that clear white light was composed of 7 visible colors. So the correct answer is B, Sir Isaac Newton.
Question number 6, color which indicates go in traffic signal is.
Options are A, violet, B, red, C, blue, D, green. Typically red for stop, green for go, and yellow for proceed with caution. So the correct answer is D, green.
Question number 7, we can see any object with the help of.
Options are A, ears, B, nose, C, eyes, D, mouth. So the correct answer is C, eyes.
Question number 8, 1 centimeter is equal to.
Options are A, 10 mm, B, 100 mm, C, 1000 mm, D, 10,000 mm. So the correct answer is A, 10 mm. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 mm.
Question number 9, 1 foot is equal to.
Options are A, 12 centimeter, B, 12 millimeter, C, 12 inches, D, 1.2 inches. So 1 foot is equal to 304.8 mm or millimeter, and here the correct answer is C, 12 inches is equal to 1 foot.
Question number 10, the art of beautiful handwriting is called.
Options are A, orthography, B, typography, C, calligraphy, D, photography. So the correct answer is C, calligraphy. Orthography is a set of conventions for writing a language, or you can say the art of writing words with the proper letters according to the standard uses. Typography is the process of using type to print onto a page, and the calligraphy is the art of beautiful handwriting, or you can say it's a visual art related to writing.
Question number 11, more softer pencil in following is.
Options are A, H, B, HB, C, 6B, D, 3H. So B grades are more softer, and here the answer is C, 6B.
Question number 13, following is a output device of computer.
A, mouse, B, printer, C, Photoshop, D, Corel Draw. An output device is a piece of computer hardware equipped which converts information into human readable form. Some of the output devices are visual displays like monitor, printer, and here the correct answer is B, printer.
Question number 14. When someone watches something carefully, it's called?
Options are A, location, B, observation, C, motion, D, communication. So the correct answer is B, observation. When you are watching something very carefully, that is called observation.
Question number 15. Trimurti at Elephanta Caves represent the three forms Satyam, Shivam and Sundaram of?
Options are A, Shiva, B, Vishnu, C, Brahma, D, Ganesh. The answer is A, Shiva.
Question number 16. A painting of Padmapani Buddha is painted in?
Options are A, Ellora Caves, B, Bhimbetka, C, Ajanta Caves, D, South Block. So the correct answer is C, Ajanta Caves. So as you know, Padmapani Bodhisattva or Avalokiteshvara, literary meaning the one holding the Padma or a lotus flower in his hand. It's a very famous painting in cave number 1, Ajanta.
Question number 17. Kailash temple is situated at?
Options are A, Bhimbetka, B, Ellora, C, Pune, D, Kolhapur. So the correct answer is B, Ellora. Kailasa or Kailasnatha temple is the largest of the rock-cut Hindu temple at the Ellora Caves in the Aurangabad district of Maharashtra.
Question number 18. Sir J.J. School of Art is situated at?
A, Ratnagiri, B, Thane, C, Mumbai, D, Pune. So everybody knows this, that Sir J.J. School of Art is situated in Mumbai. So the correct answer is C, Mumbai.
Question number 19. Dr. Jayant Narlikar is a?
And the options are A, scientist, B, painter, C, architect, D, engineer. Dr. Jayant Narlikar, he studied in BHU and he is very well known for quasi-steady state cosmology, Hoyle Narlikar theory of gravity. He studied in Cambridge University and he is very famous in the fields of physics, astronomy, as well as he is a well-known writer. Correct answer is A, scientist.
Question number 20. M.F.Husain is a?
Options A, doctor, B, painter, C, architect, D, engineer. So everyone knows that M.F.Husain is a very well-known painter from J.J. School of Art. He was one of the most celebrated and internationally recognized Indian artists of the 20th century.
Question number 21. Gateway of India is situated in?
Options are A, New Delhi, B, Elephanta, C, Mumbai, D, Mathura. And the correct answer is C, Mumbai. The Gateway of India is an arch monument built in the early 20th century in the city of Mumbai.
Question number 22. India Gate is situated in?
Options are A, New Delhi, B, Old Delhi, C, Chennai, D, Gujarat. The India Gate is a war memorial located astride the Rajpath on the eastern edge of the ceremonial axis of New Delhi. So the correct answer is A, New Delhi.
Question number 23. If first scientist who became president of India is? I don't know what is that. They might be like they wanted to ask the first scientist who became the president of India. That might be the correct question.
A, Dr. Rajendra Prasad, B, Pandit Nehru, C, Dr. A.P.J. Abdul Kalam, D, Dr. Homi Bhabha. So among all these, the correct answer is C, Dr. A.P.J. Abdul Kalam. He was an Indian aerospace scientist and politician who served as the 11th President of India from 2002 to 2007.
Question number 24. B.F.A degree of University of Mumbai is given by?
Options are A, Mumbai University, B, Pune University, C, Nagpur University, D, Baroda University. So the correct answer is A, Mumbai University.
Question number 25. D.O.A is a short form of?
Options are A, Directorate of Art, B, Division of Art, C, Doordarshan of Art, D, Display of Art. The correct answer is A, Directorate of Art.
Question number 26. Following is not art material.
Options are A. Pencil, B. Round brush, C. Cupboard, D. Drawing paper. So the correct answer is C. Cupboard, because cupboard is not considered as an art material.
Question number 27. Following is a art material.
Options are A. T square, B. Sofa, C. Red square, D. Shirt. So among all these, the right answer is A. T square, because only T square listed here is an art material. A T square is a technical drawing instrument used by draftsmen primarily as a guide for drawing horizontal lines on a drafting table.
Question number 28. A picture produced with camera is called.
Options are A. Pictograph, B. Typograph, C. Calligraphy, D. Photograph. So the right answer is D. Photograph, or you can simply call it photo.
Question number 29. A tool that you use to paint is a.
Options are A. Pencil sharpener, B. Brush, C. Racket, D. Basket. And the correct answer is B. Brush. Brush is a tool that you can use for painting. Options are A. Oil, B. Water, C. Turpentine, D. Tea. And the correct answer is B. Water.
Question number 31. Following is an input device of computer.
A. Paintbrush, B. Printer, C. Photoshop, D. Scanner. And the correct answer is D. Scanner. A scanner is an input device that scans documents such as photographs and pages. This creates an electronic version of the documents that can be viewed and edited on a computer.
Question number 32. The measurements of distance of something from one to the other is called.
Options are A. Meter, B. Pixels, C. Yards, D. Length. And the correct answer is D. Length, because length is the term used for identifying the size of an object or distance from one point to another. Length is a measure for how long an object is or the distance between 2 points.
Question number 33. A curved piece of glass in camera is.
Options are A. Lens, B. Aperture, C. Stand, D. Click. And the correct answer is A. Lens.
Question number 34. A period of time when teacher teaches people is. I don't know when teacher goes to teach people. He usually teach students. Anyways.
Options are A. Book, B. Notebook, C. Lesson, D. Time pass. And the correct answer is C. Lesson. And the lesson is a period of learning or teaching.
Question number 35. The skill of designing building is.
Options are A. Architecture, B. Painting, C. Sculpture, D. Handicraft. And the correct answer is A. Architecture. Architecture is the art and science of designing buildings and other physical structures.
Question number 36. A collection of historical documents that provides information about the past is. Wherever they want, they put the and any article in between.
Options are A. History, B. Geography, C. Archive, D. Literature. And the correct answer is C. Archive, because archive is a collection of historical documents or records providing information about a place, institution, or group of people.
Question number 37. The study of beauty, especially in art, is called.
A. Ugly, B. Aesthetics, C. Deformed, D. Communication. And the correct answer is B. Aesthetics. Aesthetics, a set of principles identifying the work of particular artist or artistic movement, or you can say the another definition for aesthetics, the philosophical theory or set of principles governing the idea of beauty at a given time and place.
Question number 38. The following is not man-made object.
A. Computer, B. Telephone, C. Drawing board, D. Sun. So among all these, D. Sun is not a man-made object.
Question number 39. You have to see this picture. It's flying from which direction?
If you have seen this image, then the options are it's flying from A. Right to left, B. North to west, C. Left to right, and D. West to east. So the correct answer is it is flying from C. Left to right.
Question number 40, you have to see this picture, you have to compare both and choose the right answer.
You have to select the right answer from the options. A is bigger than B is bigger than A, C, B is smaller than A, D, A and B are equal. So the correct answer is D, A and B are equal.
Question number 41, again this is the picture. This is
A. Gradation of tones, B. Gradation of forms, C. Gradation of circles, D. Gradation of colors. So among these, the right answer is B. Gradation of forms.
Question number 42, again picture. This is A.
This is A. You have to see the picture, and then options are A. Gradation of line, B. Gradation of forms, C. Gradation of circles, D. Gradation of texture. So the correct answer is A. Gradation of line.
Question number 43, this is A.
Isosceles triangle, B. Equilateral triangle, C. Rectangle, and D. Rhombus. And the correct answer is B. Equilateral triangle.
Question number 44, this is A.
This is A. A. Rotation, B. Replica, C. Interchange, D. Radiation. So the correct answer is B. Replica.
Question number 45, this is a graphic representation of
A. Camera, B. Eye, C. Fish, D. Wristwatch. The correct option is B. Eye.
Question number 46, this is A.
Options are A. Rotation, B. Radiation, C. Interchange, D. Repetition. And the correct answer is D. Repetition.
Question number 47, this is A.
Options are A. Off balance, B. Informal balance, C. Symmetrical balance, D. Asymmetrical balance. So the correct answer is C. Symmetrical balance.
Question number 40, 46, 47, and again they have written 41. Maybe it is 48 we can say. Question number 48, this is A.
A. Farming, B. Flying, C. Raining, D. Summer. And the correct answer is C. Raining.
Question number 49, this is a symbol representation of
A. Handicap, B. Cyclist, C. Resting, D. Watchman. And the correct answer is A. Handicap.
Question number 43, 47, 48, 49, 50. Okay. Question number 50, this is a symbolic presentation of
This is a symbolic presentation of A. War, B. Fighting, C. Peace, D. Autumn. And the correct answer is C. Peace.
And that's it. So we have done MAH AAC CET 2007